Hello guys, welcome back to Fabrics by Singanyas. Today I'll be showing you a few beautiful Upada silk fabrics. So let's get started. First fabric is this very colorful Upada fabric. As you can see, it's got lines design all over in golden zari and also a print, colorful print all over. So this fabric is perfect as a blouse or as a dupatta or as a frock. The next Upada fabric is this dual shade fabric in blue and green shade, and it's also got a very nice golden zari in parrots and also checks design. So this fabric is perfect as a blouse or as a lehenga or as a kurta. The next fabric is this Upada silk fabric in checks design, and also it's got a very nice golden zari border. So this fabric is perfect for your haldi function or for any simple pujas. This fabric can be used as a sari or as a dupatta or as a blouse, and for kids wear you can wear it as a lehenga. The next fabric is this very pretty dual shade Upada silk fabric. As you can see, it's got very pretty peacock designs and checks design. So this fabric is perfect for any functions or any pujas or any events in your house. You can wear it as a blouse or a dupatta or as a crop top or even as a waistcoat. The next fabric is this parrot green fabric, and also it's got swan design in golden zari. So this fabric is perfect as a blouse or as a dupatta or as a kurta. The next Upada silk fabric is this tissue kind of effect fabric, and it also has a dual shade. As you can see, it's got very pretty small little birds in golden zari. So this fabric is perfect for as a blouse, and because it has small little motifs, it's very good for even kids wear. Next fabric is a Upada silk fabric in checks design with butterfly motifs all over, and it's in silver zari, and it's also got a very nice plain golden border. So this fabric is very colorful and very playful fabric, so it's perfect for any kids wear, or if you want to make it as a dupatta or as a lehenga, and for kids wear you can make it as a frock. Next I've got you again a very playful fabric, and it's got this deer motifs in antique gold zari, and it's a very pretty color and very flowy fabric. This fabric is perfect as a dupatta or as a long frock, and for kids wear you can wear it as a frock. Next fabric is this very pretty grey fabric and it's got golden zari lines in checks design all over. So this fabric is perfect as a dupatta or as a blouse, or even we can wear it as a cord set. The next fabric is a very different color, and it's got very pretty, very cute small little birds motifs and golden zari all over, and it's spaced out very well. So this fabric is perfect as a dupatta, or you can wear it as a lehenga, even make it as a sari. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked all the fabrics, but if you like any fabric in particular, you can contact us on the number given below, or you can even comment below. Thank you.